What's going on, guys? This is Too Slick with Nowaskey Suspension. This is my 2005 Dyna that I just brought back from California. It's kind of been out there just sitting because when I came here, I wasn't really planning on being here this long, and now I'm a happily full-time resident of Wisconsin. I went and grabbed this thing, and we've had quite a few parts for it laying around that we've wanted to put on the bike so that I can start testing. One of those things would be a 49mm cartridge kit. We sell Dyna cartridges already, but it's kind of been one of those things that because we mainly focus on baggers, we're now kind of coming back around to messing with a few different things as far as Dyna parts go. My cartridge kit that's in it now is great, but we've made a couple changes to spring rates and we're just playing with some stuff basically. The other thing that we'll be putting on the bike as well is a prototype set of piggyback reservoirs for as far as shocks go. I have been riding these dual adjustable shocks that we make, and I have loved them, but I know that a lot of people feel like you need a reservoir. So in the past, we've had our dual adjustable shock and we've had our remote reservoir with a line and a reservoir. And on the Dynas, people I think just kind of are looking for more of the simple look, and I think we've really came up with that. So I'm really excited to try the remote reservoirs because I have loved these shocks, but I'm excited to try some new stuff out. And I think Jake's also gonna go through the entire bike and just kind of look over a couple of things. To be totally honest, I don't do the best job at servicing this bike or maintaining it. It's kind of one of those things that I don't get a whole lot of time to ride anymore, and when I have time, it's a last minute thing. I'll grab the bike, load it up, go ride something or for a show or whatever it is. And so it's been a bit neglected, unfortunately. And I also usually try to wait and have Jake work on the bike because I can cause more problems than fix them. So that's where we're at, and we're gonna be installing some new parts on this thing. All right, guys, so Jake went ahead and he got my new front cartridges in with our new spring weights in there. Really excited to test those out. I got a whole bunch of new original garage parts on here. There was nothing really wrong with the old ones. I kind of just wanted to freshen up the look of the bike a little bit. Here you are looking at our Nowaskey 14-inch Remote Reservoir Dyna shock, and this is a prototype. I'm not really gonna give you guys much information on it other than I'm putting it on the bike and I'm going to start testing with it, and I hope it goes well. Looking at the shock, it's super nice. You can kind of see there's a couple things on here that we don't normally do. Normally everything is going to be black anodized, but because this is just a prototype, that is not the case. So you can see that the reservoir is attached to the body. That's a new thing for us, but for the most part, it's pretty similar to our remote reservoir shock with the hose on it. The only difference is that this is now connected to the body. I love my remotes on my bagger, so I am really excited to test these out on the Dyna. But I will mention again, I've been super happy with the dual adjustables that were on the bike. So kind of just gonna be playing with some new stuff, and if anything, I'm excited to ride the bike again with some new parts on there to test out. That always makes it, you know, fun and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna get these bolted on, and I guess we'll check in who knows when to tell you how we like them. Alright guys, so we just got everything fixed up on here, and I'm going to put some air in the tires. I just kind of rode it around, and honestly the bike felt super foreign in general because I've been riding around on the bagger a bit, so I'm excited to mess around on it a little bit this weekend and see how I like them, and mess with some different spring rates and all that stuff. So I think for this video that's going to do it. Just kind of doing a little quick refresh on the old workhorse. So alright, we'll see you on the next one.